You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video so you guys can fix your problem step by step, one step at a time, alright? And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Spotify gift card, alright? So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, you want to go to this website called spotify.com. Once you go on spotify.com, you need to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, it's gonna open up just like this. Now once it opens up just like this, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see a username of your Spotify account. You need to click on it and go on versus account. Now once you come over here on your account, you want to go on versus redeem over here, which is gonna be at the bottom. Alright, and once you click on redeem, it's gonna bring you to this section over here, the place where you guys need to enter your gift card code. So over here, enter the code given on your gift card. Now after you enter your gift card's code over here on the exact format given to you, basically what you need to do is enter the postal code. So you need to enter the postal code of the place where you are currently living or where your account is registered. So my account is registered in India, so I'm going to enter the postcode of where I live in India and click on I'm not a robot. After I get the tick mark, I can click on continue. And if the gift card code I entered is correct and my postal code matches, then basically my gift card will be redeemed and my Spotify account will have the premium version of Spotify. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can redeem your gift card in Spotify. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time. And if you want to see some more Spotify video, you can check out our channel for more. Bye bye until then.